In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Drive notifications. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by constant updates or simply want to have a more peaceful digital workspace, stick around as we walk through this process together. Keeping your notifications under control not only helps you stay focused, but also can significantly reduce your stress levels. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by navigating to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. At the top right corner, you should see your profile picture. Clicking on this will let you confirm that you're in the right account if you have more than one. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the top right corner where you'll find the gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu and select Settings. This will open a new window with various options to customize your Google Drive experience. Within this settings window, you'll see several tabs lining the side or top, such as General, Manage Apps, and so on. You should focus on the Notifications tab, which is usually directly accessible or under the General settings. Click on it to proceed. Now, here comes the key part. In the Notifications section, you'll be able to see various notification preferences. These could include alerts about shared files, comments, and suggestions, and much more. Carefully go through each option and decide which notifications are essential and which ones are not necessary. Untick any boxes next to the types of notifications you wish to disable. As you make these changes, be aware of the implications each choice might have. For example, turning off shared files notifications means you won't get alerted when someone shares a new document with you, which could be important in collaborative environments. It's all about finding the right balance so you don't miss out on crucial updates. After you've adjusted your settings to your liking, remember to click the Done button or the equivalent to save your changes. This is crucial, as failing to do so will require you to go through the process again. Once you've saved your preferences, it's a good idea to test if your new settings are active. You can ask someone to share a file with you or make a comment on a shared document to see if you receive a notification. If you've done everything correctly, you should no longer be bothered by those unwanted notifications. And there you have it. You've just customized your Google Drive notification settings to better suit your needs. Remember, you can always return to these settings and make additional tweaks as your needs change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a less cluttered, more efficient digital workspace.